If you're still using the free earbuds that came with your phone or any other gadget, you may want to consider an upgrade. In this video, we will introduce you to the best available headphone accessories. If you want to check our product list and details, go to the video description. Let's get started with the sixth one, which is the Anchor, the original under-desk headphone stand mount. With this, you can get rid of cord clutter on your desk and have easy access to your headphones. It mounts in seconds and holds ultra strong with the same adhesive that GoPro uses. Flexible silicone construction protects your headphones and won't hurt if you ever bump it with your knee. If you ever need to remove the anchor and it is holding too strong, just heat it up with a hairdryer and the adhesion will soften. The 3M VHB adhesive will hold with over 40 pounds of adhesion to clean and finish surfaces. It will not hold to unfinished wood, bare MDF, or if the surface feels fibrous. The Anchor is guaranteed for life to be defect-free. Up next, we have the Plantronics charge case for Bluetooth headset Voyager Legend. The Plantronics Voyager Legend charge case is the perfect accessory for storing, protecting, and recharging your Voyager Legend Bluetooth headset while on the go. The case's internal battery can recharge the Voyager Legend headset twice for up to 14 hours of additional talk time. It also features LED indicators to know the battery status of your headset and the case at a glance. Case recharges from any micro USB charge cable. The Plantronics charge case for Bluetooth headset Voyager Legend has a sleek design, and therefore it fits easily in your pocket for convenient charging anywhere. Moving on to the fourth one, we have the Ugreen 3.5mm audio stereo Y splitter cable. The Ugreen 3.5mm audio stereo splitter cable converts a single 3.5mm stereo jack to two 3.5mm stereo jacks. It allows you to share music with your family or friends through headphones from the same source. It supports mobile phone, MP3 player, tablet, notebook, PC, etc. The metal case connector allows you to plug it to your source device without taking off your mobile/tab case. This 3.5mm audio splitter extension cable is equipped with a premium metal housing, which is different from the normal PVC connector in market. Moreover, the gold-plated connector terminals resist corrosion and ensure optimum sound quality. Bare copper conductors provide the good performance while audio transfer. The strain relief rings near the connector makes the connector more stable and flexible. Third on our list is the Bose Quiet Comfort 15 ear cushion kit. Replace worn or lost QC 15 ear cushions with this new pair, which is designed for easy installation. The soft cushions align with mounting posts inside the ear cups, then snap into place. It is compatible with Quiet Comfort 15 acoustic noise cancelling headphones. This cushion kit is not just easy to install, but it is also very comfortable. Runner-up on our list is Amazon Basics 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio aux cable. Enhance your audio options with this versatile Amazon Basics 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable. From iPhones to iPads, the cable quickly connects your smartphone, MP3 player, tablet, or other portable audio device with a 3.5mm audio jack to the aux in port of your car stereo, portable speaker, or other compatible audio output devices. You can listen to content from your portable device over your car's stereo system using the Amazon Basics 3.5mm stereo audio cable. The Amazon Basics stereo audio cable's beloved step-down design creates a secure connection, while its dual shielding, polished metal molding, and corrosion-resistant gold-plated plugs ensure reliable performance and minimal signal loss. And the first product on our list is the Apple Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. This Lightning to 3.5mm headphone adapter lets you connect devices that use a 3.5mm audio plug to your Lightning devices. The system requirements works with all devices that have a Lightning connector and support iOS 10 or later, including iPod Touch, iPad, and iPhone. It is compatible with iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, iPhone 5S, iPhone SE, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6S, iPhone 6S Plus, iPhone 7, and iPhone 7 Plus. Apart from that, it is also compatible with iPad with Retina display, iPad Mini 2, iPad Mini 3, iPad Mini 4, iPad Air, iPad Air 2, iPad, iPad Pro, etc. So these are the best 6 headphone accessories available in the market now. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a like. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos.